So there's the before. Wow. So she ended up getting curtain bangs, beautiful face framing with the layers. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Love the shape. And the stylist has colored the hair money piece highlights blonde popping in the front. Beautiful job. Ooh, love the kind of... Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to check out some of the hottest new haircut ideas. First up we see this bob. This one features money piece highlights going in the front. Beautiful color combination with that. Love how it looks on the angle or in the center. And then we move into a hair transformation. This is from one of the most popular hairstylists that is around at the moment. And this person has extremely textured wavy hair. He's coloring the hair, so you know he definitely has some skills if he is coloring hair that is this thick and wavy. It is not easy to color textured hair. Oh, love how defined he made her curls look. The highlights and colors look absolutely breathtaking. Gorgeous transformation. So then we move on to another look from the same stylist. So this client has like mid-length hair. Looks like she is going brighter, lighter. So there's the before. Wow. So she ended up getting curtain bangs, beautiful face framing with the layers, and the color looks absolutely gorgeous. Once again, another amazing hair transformation. So moving on to the next one. So the stylist is going quite short with this. I thought at first that she was going to be getting a bob. So she did end up getting a bob, but I would say this is more of like a micro style bob. The hair is cut very short and on an angle. And then we have someone who has a pixie cut. Looks like she is getting more of that undercut pixie style. Love the overall shape for this pixie. It is spike upward, absolutely stunning. So then we move on to the next one. It looks like she has grown out color. And the stylist has colored the hair money piece highlights blonde popping in the front. Beautiful job. So heading into the next transformation, looks like another well done pixie. Ooh, love the kind of choppy shape that the stylist created with that. And then we move on to a bright blonde pixie. This is a gorgeous color. It almost looks like platinum, but I think that is just a very bright blonde. So she also has a longer bangs with this particular haircut. Oh my goodness, so beautiful. Love the shape, the choppiness, the texture. Gorgeous. And then we see someone with long curly hair. So it looks like the stylist is just kind of cutting the ends, trimming the hair down, doing a few layers. And then she's going in and defining the curls. Beautiful highlights mixed in with this. Gorgeous texture. Alright you guys, so that is it for this video. If you enjoyed these hairstyles, please be sure to give this one a like, subscribe, and I will see you next time.